Hello. For this Excel video tip, I'm going to be talking about the basics of the Format Painter paintbrush. To help me illustrate that today, I've just got a simple spreadsheet with some names in one column, days of the week across the top, and then we've started Monday with some data in there, and it's currently formatted to currency, no decimal. So what the Format Painter paintbrush can be helpful in is if we've got one column formatted exactly how we want it, and we're going to fill in these columns later. So let's say I come in tomorrow and now I've got Tuesdays, and so I'm going to type Tuesdays sales in, and you'll notice that they're not formatted the way I want them to do. So one way that I could do it is just highlight these and go through, the format and change it to currency, make sure I've got the decimals right, and hopefully I've got the exact same formatting as I've got in this column. Probably the easier way is to use the Format Painter paintbrush. Show you a couple ways to do this because you can either do it one cell at a time or you can do a whole selection. So let's say I wanted to copy the formatting within this cell over to this cell. So I click within the cell that I want to copy the formatting from. Up in my Home tab over to the left, you'll see there's this Format Painter. It looks like a little paintbrush. I'm just going to click on that once. And as I come down in Excel now, you'll see there's a little plus sign with the Format Paintbrush. And now wherever I click, it's going to apply the formatting that was in my original cell to this new cell. So we'll click in cell E3 here, and you'll see that now cell E3 is formatted exactly the same as D3. It takes all the formatting and copies it over. Now let's say I want to do this whole column at once. I can actually highlight everything over here, click on that Format Painter, and then highlight where I want it to go, and you'll see that it copies the formatting over as well. This will copy shading, borders, it'll copy all the formatting from one cell to another. Format Painter is a fantastic tool. You'll notice that once I click, the paintbrush goes away. Let's say I've got multiple cells that I want to click into. So let's say for some reason I'm at the end of the week now and I'm only got some partial sales numbers back, and I only want to apply formatting to these specific cells. So one way I could do that is click Format Painter and then click here, and you'll notice that that's going to be very time consuming. So one way I can do that is doing what's called locking the Format Painter. So choose the cell you want to copy the formatting from and double click on this Format Painter. And again, you'll see that the plus with the paintbrushes there. And now when I click, you'll see it doesn't go away. And everywhere I click, it's going to apply that formatting too. When I'm ready to be done with it, I can just hit my escape key and my formatting paintbrush is gone. This is just a really quick, easy way to copy formatting from one cell to another. It can save you a lot of time, and if you want reports or dashboards to be consistent across multiple columns, I found it to be very useful in copying that format from one place to another. So hope you enjoy that. And that's today's Excel video tip. Have a great day.